Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Abhinav in front of you all, and today's topic is based on our life. How to make our life immortal. The immortal is the thing that makes everyone suspension. The real meaning of immortal is to be the something that everyone will know you by your identity. The example is like freedom fighters. We all know Mahatma Gandhi ji, Bhagat Singh, Lokmanya Tilak, etc. type of freedom fighters, which are real examples of immortal because they had gone from the life but not from our mind. We now also remind them by their work and by their achievement. Let us know that how to be the immortal in our life. The first thing is be focused on your goal. We all know that in today's generation, goal is most important. If you have a goal and focus on your goal for achieving it, so it is proved that there will be no one that can stop you from achieving your goal. If you will go step ahead for becoming something, you can be something, but there should be goal achieved. Factors that you will achieve goal. Second is be remain and be on your pathway. The way should be simple, sober, but there will be many situations, problems, obstacles, because when you will go on the way will be not easy for everyone. There will be many problems and you have to face it. By facing it, you will get achievement and confidence as well as experience of that thing that you will explain your experience to next generation, and that is one kind of feeling which will give you that you are immortal for your next generation or for your child. Every father is one kind of immortal for his son because of son wants to be brave like his father, but most important is son want to be something for their family. They want to do something to achieve something like that. That is the real meaning of immortal, that you can make your life immortal by going on your way, achieving the goal, and most important is to stay focused. The successful life will be not easy, but it will be not impossible also. It will be possible if you will definitely define the destination of your life. So guys, I hope you all liked my video. So like, share and subscribe. Catch you again. Bye.